Good morning guys. Life in Bacolod City. Welcome to our life. Welcome to our kitchen. So ayan guys, maglinis lang muna ako ng mga dapat linisan. Marami siyang alikabok. So, maglinis muna tayo. Come with me. Join me in cleaning time. Okay guys, tapos na tayo maglinis. So now okay, so ganyan ang natin, routine in the morning. Mainly magpupunas ako ng mga counter or mga alikabok. Pero hindi all the time. Kasi kahapon nag-grinder sila. So yun lang naman ang nagkaroon ng mga dust ang kitchen. Pero today, linisan ko yung mga dust na nila. Pati yung mirror, di ba nilinisan ko kasi malikabok siya. Yung mga gamit-gamit dyan, dahan-dahanin ko lang, hindi naman siya marami. Tapos, after that, hindi na tayo niyan mag-worry. Ano na lang guys, yung maintenance na lang. Araw-araw, punas-punas, a little bit normal na punas, yun lang guys. Kailangan. So, hindi naman masyadong pressured. Ayan. So, ito, pupunasan ko lang sila ng wet cloth kasi nga naalikabukan sila yesterday. Yan. So, para hindi tayo hindi marumi yung kitchen. So, yung ko talaga guys is nag-i-enjoy ako pag naglilinis ako ng bahay. Kasi hindi na ako nadidisturb ng trabaho except nadidisturb ako ng store pag may bumibili. Pero, sa akin okay lang naman. So, pag naglilinis ako ng bahay, hindi na ako na under pressure ba. Sa Australia, under pressure kasi may work ako. So, kailangan ko bilis-bilisan. Kailangan ko hari-hari ako all the time. So, dito hari-hari kasi ang store para na maalagaan ko din. Tapos, makapagpahinga din ako. Pero in saying that, pag nandito lang ako sa bahay, syempre, marami akong time magkita ng mga maliliit na bagay, nalilinisan. So, sanitize ako ng mga spoons and forks. Init ako ng tubig sa kettle. Ang tawag namin yan kettle. Ang tawag nila dito iba. Nalimutan ko. Heater. Ang tawag nila. Ang heater sa Australia, para naman yan sa winter. Yun. So, ang tawag namin yan is kettle. Yan siya. Ayan siya. Water kettle. Kettle lang ang tawag namin. Ibig sabihin, mag-init ka ng tubig na iinumin. Or you can do it in the microwave. Diba? So, ayan. So, gagawa ako ng ice. Ayan. Konti na lang yung ice natin. So, ayan ang gagawin ko today. Medyo marami-rami. Maglinis ako ng pot. Ayan. Tapos, after that, mag-mop na ako ng floor. And then, yun na ang trabaho ko. Tapos na siya. So, pag hindi ako nagbablog, matapos ko siya ng 30 minutes. Pero pag nagbablog ako, medyo matagalan ako kasi maglipat-lipat ako ng camera, ganun. Kaya everyday, hindi ako nagbablog. Especially nagmamadali ako kasi priority yung work ko. Ganyan yung ginagawa ko guys. So, para medyo mabilis ako, sa pagkilos. So, again, I shall clean up and I shall see you back in here. So, okay guys. Medyo we are nearly finished, but we're gonna flush hot water in here just to put hot water on the pipe so it will run a little bit better, because in Australia guys we have hot water and cold water in this one, so we normally run hot water to our sink so it cleans all the fat and all those, but here I have to do it manually because we only have cold water in here, so we do that. And in our fridge, this big fridge, if you happen to have this one guys, the technician told me make sure that the vents are not covered, because I think that was one of my problem in the freezer area. The vents were covered. When he told me, I realized, oh yeah, there is a vent inside there that it was covered, and obviously it cannot breathe. Ayan guys, I show you. Ayan guys, yung vent na yan, natakpan siya ng plastic. Parang nadiin ko masyado yung plastic. So, naganon ko siya. So, wag lang natin idiin. And then we have another one there. At wag siya nating takpan. Kasi ang inverter na refrigerator and saka freezer, ang freezer area ang nagdadala ng cold niya sa fridge. So, pag natakpan itong sa baba, ma-deprive yung sa taas. Ayun. At saka make sure na i-close yung doors properly. Kasi ito, always ko siya na nakikita sa gabi na hindi siya close. Umaangat siya a little bit. So, kami lang naman dalawa dito ni Daddy. So, hindi na-shut masyado. So, lucky I came down for some reason. And then I found this freezer open slightly, about 1 inch. So, just make sure that it's always shut. It has a alarm, a bell when you don't close it properly, but we are upstairs and I could not hear it. And the camera is here. It gets the fridge, but it doesn't get the open. It just look closed. Yeah. So that is the problem of the fridge. So I just, from now on, I just want to make sure that we shut it properly and the vents are not covered. So it's working now. The technician didn't have to come, and it did it to us maybe 5-6 times already in the whole nearly 3 years. So that's what we have to do. Yeah. So the boys went. They are fixing the roof in the shop. They went to buy material, a plain sheet, and we can do that. So I've done all the dishes for my foreigner husband. Ito guys, when he eats upstairs in the second floor, he puts all the things in the bucket, and then I bring it down to clean the bucket. Ayan. The boys, I think, are back. They're very quick. See, oh look. Oh, they're back. Ayan. Hi guys, good evening. So we have here the watermelon. I was gonna open it guys, but not until you see it is so big. Guys. Tada! So we will open it. And I think we will try and eat half. Are you ready? So big. Are you ready? So guys, we bought this one from the market, in our market here, and it's like nearly 400 pesos for that one. It's about $10. It's so heavy. guys. Okay, so, yan na guys. Kainin na natin. So, okay, good evening everyone. So, ito yung binuksan natin na watermelon. Okay naman siya guys. Ang condition niya is very good. So, we are now going to eat it. Yung ito lang siguro. Then we'll put that away for the next day. Or si daddy, mabilis siya guys kumain ng watermelon. Talagang napakalaki ng supply ng watermelon niya. So anyway, madilim na yung bahay kasi close na ang shop. Tapos nagpapahinga na kami ni dad. Nag-dinner na kami. So, ito na. Ang dessert namin is fruit. Ayan. So guys, we shall see you in our next vlog. This is our life in Bacolod City. So guys, sa mga gustong umuwi dito sa Pilipinas, sa mga Pilipina na may asawa na foreigner, try nyo guys, pero there are some things na dapat nyong ma-aware kayo. Siyempre, tulad ng saan kayo titira. So pag mayroon naman din, wag lang natin sabihin, ay may ano kami doon, may ano kami doon. It doesn't work that way. So kailangan mo talaga ng specific na place to go at saka yung masaya kayong dalawa. Minsan pag maraming tao, maraming problema. Tapos mag-ano talaga kayo guys, maglaan kayo ng budget. Minsan yung budget niya tinatarget nyo, nag-triple na siya guys. So, or quadruple. So, pero kung mayroon naman kayo, walang problema. Dito sa Pilipinas, it's very, very easy to enjoy yourself for very cheap, no? Depende sa inyo. Sa akin naman guys, ang importante yung bahay na titirhan nyo kasi puti yung kasama mo. Nakakaawa naman kung palagi siyang pinapawisan. Tapos yung place hindi masyadong tidy. So, or malinis. Siguro ako lang o kayo din, na kailangan malinis yung lugar. Ang toilet okay, yung mga preparation area malinis kasi hindi naman guys maganda pag hindi, kahit tayo naman. Pumunta nga tayo ng abroad para na upgrade yung buhay natin. Tapos balik tayo dito, hindi tayo nag-upgrade, So, upgrade a little bit. I don't know, baka sabihin nyo na ganun-ganun, So, yun lang sa akin. Mas maganda pag bumalik ka dito na nag-settle, medyo maganda din yung kalagayan mo. Kawawa naman pag hindi, diba? Balik na lang tayo sa Australia. Kasi kahit na hindi ka doon mayaman, okay talaga yung kalagayan. Kasi normal doon yung Alright guys, so this is our life in Bacolod City.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.